Hey, what's going on? It's Mr. D and welcome to my CB traffic app review. Now I am here inside the members area, and during this video I am going to give you its demo and what it does. I am going to detail in this video, and also I put together my custom bonuses for those who like to buy from my link, which is down below of this video. Now, as you see in the title or thumbnail of this video, that I am giving CB traffic app for only $2. So when you buy from my link, which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back. In the bonus area, I will get your $5 instant and remaining money within the 12 to 24 hours. Now you might be thinking that why I am giving this huge discount. So the reason behind is that I am an affiliate of this product, and when you buy from my link I get commission, and in this case it is $15. That's why I'm giving your money back to you. Now you also might be thinking that why I am giving my commissions to you. So I want you all to take action and grab this instead of wasting time. I know you will, this will help you to make money, and you love this, and if you love this you will definitely buy some of its upgrade and I will make money on them. Now let me tell you about the product. CB Traffic app is a cloud-based software which creates complete affiliate marketing and traffic campaigns for you so that you can make money. And in CB Traffic app, you will also find done for you campaign which allow you to make 100% commission, and you can also build your email list at the same time. You are also getting a software which will put your affiliate link in front of more than 70 hot buyer traffic sources which have around more than 1.75 billion buyers, and you can send your link within a click. And more details of CB Traffic app I will provide on the sales page or in members area. So CB Traffic app is going live on 16 July 11 am EST. So when it goes live, you can click any of the button on my bonus page and they will bring you to the sales page. And so pick the CB Traffic app before my bonus page expires, which I don't want because I spend a long time to put and find these bonuses together, so you can get the best out of as possible. All those bonuses are created by myself, my team, and very known and good affiliate marketers on the internet, and they are not going to be available through anybody else link apart from mine. With that, feel free to go and shop around and see what other people are offering in term of bonuses for CB Traffic app, because I guarantee you that you are not going to be find better and more useful bonuses that what you are going to get through my link, which is down below this video. So let's talk about my bonuses. So my first bonus is you will get access to the Lost Code and the Waking. Both these are traffic app and they will bring traffic to you on autopilot for free without spending a dime. So with these two softwares you will get unlimited traffic. So my second bonus is you will get access to the Fugo Breakout and Fugo Multiplier. Both these are training product and it will teach you how to get traffic on autopilot and for unlimited without spending a dime online and without spamming on social media or having an email list. So it is a very good bonus. So my third bonus is you will get access to my personal social media hack, in which I'll reveal all my strategies how I got money with the help of the social media on autopilot for unlimited, and you don't have to do much work. In this I reveal all my strategies and my resources which I use to generate much amount of money. So so my next bonus is you will get access to my advanced traffic training, in which I'll tell you how I got millions of visitors to my affiliate link through a underground secret hack, and how I make hundreds and even thousands of dollars from it. So my next bonus is you will get access to a suite of 16 software which include funnel builder like ClickFunnels, autoresponder like ActiveCampaign, video hosting platform like Vimo, dropshipping platform or e-commerce platform like Shopify, account of Kabazi, and much more softwares including in it. So you will get account of all these software for free and for lifetime. As you know that ClickFunnels average price is $99 per month and an autoresponder average price is $50 per month, and other softwares have different price value, but you will get all these for free. So my next bonus is you will get a premium hosting with a domain, including some premium themes, plugins and training also included. With this bonus, you can publish your website on internet with a premium hosting and a premium domain with premium plugins and themes, and the training course will tell you how to do all this and how to rank your website and much more things to make money from blogging or website. Now my next bonus is that I'll tell you earlier that I'm giving your $15 back. So this is the next bonus, that if you buy from my link which is down below of this video, you will get your $15 back, which is a very good bonus I am providing to you. I also put a bonus that you can send your email to my list every day, each day, and for lifetime. Yes, it is for lifetime. So I'll tell you my list, that my list have over than 120k subscribers, and you can send 1000 emails per day to my list and boost your conversion rates and get traffic to your affiliate link. So my next bonus is I am holding a $1500 contest, and if you win this contest you will win $1500, and all this contest detail are in my bonus area. So bonuses up to 9 are only for first 100 people, because I am giving to only action takers who take action and grab all these, because these are very exclusive and I don't want to give them to all. So hurry up and buy it from my link. And as you can see there, some spots may already be gone because some of my buyers from my email list already buy it. So the seats have very less, and hurry up and buy it. So my next bonus is I am giving my email marketing hack, in which I'll tell you how I build my email list and how I convert them and make sales and make money from it through email marketing, and how you can do this also in a very simple way and fast without spending money a lot. So my next bonus is I am giving you a 40 free bonuses that you can give away to your audience to boost your conversion rates and make sales and make more money, because with the help of bonuses you can make more money and more sell. And my next bonus is I am giving a training of banking with bonuses, in which I'll tell you how to use those bonuses to give you to customers and how to boost sales, make huge money and much more from them. So my next bonus is I am giving all the vendor bonuses that he provides to me to give you, and you will access all these bonuses. Now my next bonus is if you stuck any part of the software or training course, you can contact to me. I will help you and you will get support from me. Now my next bonus is I am giving you my personal case study on how I got 2.9 million visitors to my website or my affiliate link, and how you can do this also. In this case study I'll tell strategies how I got this huge amount of visitors to my link. And my next bonus is chatbot marketing mastery, in which I'll tell you how you can leverage the power of chatbot to interact with your buyers, to help them and to make money from them and boost your conversion rates. Now my next bonus, if you buy CB Traffic app from my link which is down below of this video, you will automatic approval to all of my product of past and future. To write reviews and about my product, how is it. And so next bonus is, so my next is $300 CPA every day. It's a best course on Warrior Plus which will tell you how to make money through CPA marketing. So my next bonus is $500 CPA every day. It also CPA marketing course, and all those bonuses from one to last are very exclusive. These are created by my team and very good affiliate marketers or creators in on the internet. You have any doubt, then you can search by any of this product on Warrior Plus on and or on the internet, and which this will tell you that how this product is very good. So without wasting time, let me tell you my next bonus, which is CPA coffee shop method. It's also CPA marketing course, but and this will tell you how to make CPA commissions through social media. So my next bonus is $200 cash check. It's also a training course. So my next bonus is $2K CPA traffic jacker. It's also will tell you how to get traffic on your CPA offers. So my next bonus is $250 cash magnet, and this is a software which will make $250 per day for you on autopilot. So my next bonus is the commission glitch. It's a very good product and training course on how to get traffic for free to your links. So my next bonus is six figure influx. This will tell you how to make six figures and much more from it. So my next bonus is $1,000,000 toolbox. It's also a training course and best training course on the internet. And my next bonus is overnight commissions. It's also a software which will make commissions for you or on overnight. So my next bonus is commission toolbox. It's also a very good traffic course and training. So my next bonus is pure profit payday. It will tell you how to make money online through affiliate marketing by getting unlimited traffic for free without spamming on social media. So my next bonus is $100 CPA daily, and it is also CPA marketing course. And my next bonus is the commission profit hack. It's also a training course which will tell you how to make huge commissions through affiliate marketing for free. So my next bonus is instant traffic jacker, which bring traffic on autopilot for you through the internet. My next bonus is the commission magnet. It's also a training course on traffic. So my next and last bonus is the commission blueprint. It also a very good product. So I am not going to detail all these products which I give you as bonus. You can search of that, and these are very good. These are not any PLR products, and you can search on the internet that how good these products are and how valuable these are. All of these words are written by side of them. So for claiming all these bonuses, you need to do, first of all, click on the link which is down below of this video and come on my bonus page, which you may already be on if you come through my email list. Just be aware that CB Traffic app goes live on 16 July 11 am EST. So let me tell you how you can access all those bonuses. So when you buy CB Traffic app from my link, so in your Warrior Plus history you can see there this blue button tell access your bonus. From there you can access all the bonus which I promised to you, and after that you will get all the bonuses if you buy only the front end product, which is only for $17, and you know that I am giving your $15 back. So let's look at the sales page. Now this is the sales page of CB Traffic app, and as you can see there, this is the world first affiliate plus traffic app, make us $594 per day clickbank commission, and blast your affiliate link to 70x free traffic pools. Affiliate plug your 100% commission link into 1.75 billion free traffic buyers. So this app will put your link in front of 1.75 billion hot selling buyers. Now there's a video, you can watch it. This is the intro video which tell what is all about, and here are some of its features. Let's check them what they are. Now, new 4-click cloud-based app, get free traffic fast, generate clickbank sales fast, become a super affiliate, 70x done for your campaign, 70x secret traffic sources, get free traffic to your website, work within any affiliate link, step by step video and training and video. So it also included training and video course which will tell you how to use CB Traffic app. So you can see their price rises every, and there is a timer. So get this discount and click this blue button, click here to get started now, and you will buy CB Traffic app. As you can see there, 100% done for you, and in just 3 simple steps you can make your commission. First step, to log in the app and enter your ClickBank ID. Now second step is choose from one of the 70 done for you affiliate campaign, and step third is you are getting free traffic and you will make money. Now you can see there Chris Rich and Yes, these are the creator of this product, and they are some of income proof you can see there, and this is the product you are getting. There are some of more income proof. So here is it what you are getting. So you will make affiliate commission, you will generate 100% commission, you will get free traffic, you will get passive income, you will earn your internet lifestyle or laptop lifestyle. As you can see there, you don't need to have any website or email list. You will make commissions without finding any affiliate program, buying paid traffic, building a website, writing content, creating videos, getting banned. And here is the sales page. You can see there are some of more income proofs. There are many income proofs. These guys are give you that this will help you to make money. And here's everything what you get, read it out. And you can see they're done for you commission and traffic. Keep 100% of the commission. You make 100% beginner friendly, no list website, no paid ads, no experience needed. 70x $100 per day affiliate program. Promote any website or affiliate program in 4 clicks. Preloaded with 70x billion user traffic source. You don't need to write any content, and you will get all you need to create your affiliate campaign. So these are the things you are getting. You first done for you affiliate programs in which they will give you affiliate programs, and second is done for you complete campaigns into 70. They will give you 70 done for you campaigns which are ready to go with preloaded content. Now third thing you are getting is done for you free traffic into 70. So these guys are also giving you free traffic buyers. Now its fourth thing you are getting is done for you 100% commission store, and they also giving 60-day money back guarantee, no question asked. So if you don't make money in 60 days, so you can refund it, and these guy will give your money back. So here's the list of all things you are getting from them, and its real value is $7,376, but you are getting it only for $17. Now as you can see there are some of frequently asked question. How does CB traffic app work? So this system give you the exact affiliate program and traffic used by top earning affiliate. What about maintenance cost? So it's zero daily cost. Will I need any tech skills or experience? Answer is not. Will I need any budget for traffic? No. There's a money back guarantee. So yes, it have 60-day money back guarantee. How do I lock in my discount? So you will click this button and you will get your discount. So this is the whole sales page, and you can see in your own time and access all its full detail, because I'm not going to tell it's all in this video because it's too long now. And hurry up and buy it. Now let me tell you its prices and upsells. So its front end price is only for $17, and you know that I am giving you $15 back and all my bonuses. So its upsell first is unlimited edition for $29, and in this you can upgrade to its unlimited campaigns. You can get unlimited traffic and very high affiliate commissions for only $29. And its upsell 2 is autopilot edition for $39. So in this you will automate everything. You can automate your campaigns, traffic, and they will bring you traffic on autopilot. Now its upsell 3 is done for you edition for only $197. So in this the team of CB traffic app will create everything for you, and you don't have to do anything. Now its upsell 4 is reseller edition for only $197. So in this upsell you can sell CB traffic app as your own product, and you can earn 100% commission for you. Now its upsell 5 is mega bundle edition for $97, in which you will get access to 37 software tools which will help you to make much money. Now these are the all upsells, and in my opinion you should and you must buy upsell second, which is autopilot edition, and this will make money on autopilot. You don't have to do anything, this guy will do everything for you. And so don't forget to check out my bonuses and grab them all. And it's all about, thank you for watching my CB traffic app review, and I urge you to subscribe to this channel, share, comment and like, and I'll speak you to on some of my next videos. Take care, bye.